uh, basic cycling terminology. Okay, ake siyibuke isayithi lethu. Ke sibuka amagama walabo line lapho. Kailas ne-center laphaya. So ukusuka la uzofika laphaya, that is a diameter. Then ukusuka kwi-center ufika kwi-circumference, that is the radius. That is the radius. Then bese siba nani? This is the second. Then bese siba ne-tangent. Bese siba ne-tangent. Bese siba ne-chord. I-second lo line oqhamuka ngaphandle ungene phakathi uyophumela ngale, that is a second. Tangent iloya line othinta i-circle at only one point. Then sibe ne-radius, sibe ne-chord. Bese siba ne-arc. Yabona la? Lo i-arc le. Mhlawumbe ngisebenzise nansi ishandisi. Sebenzisa umbala ohlukile. Lo i-arc lo. Lo i-chord. I-radius le. Diameter kusuka la uyofika ngapha. Second uqhamuka ngaphandle ungene uzophumela ngale. Tangent siyithinta i-cycle kwi-point elilodwa. So i-radius a line from the center to any point of the circumference of the cycle. That is the radius. A diameter, a line passing through the center of a cycle. It is double the length of the radius because it's solid diameter it times 2 a length a radius. Bese kuba i-tangent, a line touching the circle at only one point. Bese siba ne-second. Second, it's a line passing through 2 points on the side. That is the second. Now, ngesiye laphana ku-theorem 1 siyazi ukuthi bathini khona ku-theorem 1. Theorem 1. Athi a line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. Angazi ukuthi banifundisa kanjani-ke. Yona le abanifundise yona i-right. Othisha. A line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord bisect the chord. Mase ngikhumbula uthisha wami. The line drawn from the center to the chord, perpendicular to the chord, bisect the chord. So a line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord, bisect the chord. So ngendlela ememeza ngayo wayenza ukuthi lento siyiphile singayikhohlwa. A line drawn from the center to the chord, perpendicular to the chord, bisect the chord. So theorem 1 low. Ake siyidraw-ke lena kozana. Lishandise le mhlawumbe siyidrawe la. Sesidraw le chord le. Sesidraw le line loya. Sesidraw loya line loya. Nolayini kufanele usuke esenza bafowethu. Better. So this is point A, M, and B. This is O. Now let me use another color. Okay, this is 2, this is 1. Here we have 90 degrees. So what we are given that the cycle with center O, the cycle center O with OM being perpendicular to AB, then AB is a chord. Nazi lesitshenezana. A cycle center O with OM perpendicular to AB, then AB is a chord. So we are required to prove that AM is equal to MB. And let's prove to AM ulingana nobani no MB. Then our proof, before we prove, and let's join construction. We must join OA and OB. So uzojoyina laba, khanda triangle ngapha, khanda triangle ngapha. Mase bajoyinile, before usuyasho ukuthi in triangle, sesinama triangle amabili, in triangle OAM and triangle OBM. Suyasho ukuthi kwenzakalani kulama triangle amabili. Mhlawumbe nje singasho point A, point number 1, u-OA uyalingana no-OB. Yini isizathu? Radi. So u-OA uyi-radius no-OB uyi-radius. So ama-radius ayalingana. So mayise mabili sithi radi. Isizathu nje lesi siphelele. Point number 2. Siyabona laphana njengoba laphana M1 ku-90 degrees kusho ukuthi asike M2 u-90 degrees kusho no M1 u-90 degrees. Singasho sithi angle M2 is equal to angle M1 is equal to 90 degrees. Isizathu we are given, sinikeziwe lokhu. Sinikeziwe, ukhumbule phela angles of a straight line will add up to 108. So M1 automatically will be equal to 90 degrees. C, sithini ngo-C, point C, point number 3. Khona into common laphaya. Khumbule mabili ama-triangle sidila ngawo, ile triangle nale triangle ngapha. Kodwa khona iside litholakala amasayidi omabili. u-OM uyalingana no-OM. Sizothini? Sizothi common. Ngoba u-OM uyatholakala i-triangle ngapha, u-OM uyatholakala i-triangle ngapha. So, lokhu kuyasiprovela ukuthi u-triangle OAM is congruent to triangle OBM. Right angle side. Right angle side. Okay, into esiprove ngayo leya. Prove ngama-side, saprove nge-right angle. Khumbula ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuprova i-congruence. So, since sesiprovile ukuthi le triangle engapha is congruent to this triangle, kusho ukuthi lamanye ama-side anjani ayalingana. Kusho ukuthi ubani u-AM uyalingana no-MB ngoba sesiprovide lama-triangles omabili are-congruent to each other. So, ama-corresponding sides, they are equal. Lowo ku-theorem 1. Ake sibuke u-theorem. I-converse ka-theorem 1. Converse for theorem 1. Ngixolela uphumeli ngaphandle lwalayini, kodwa ngesimo-ke uphumelele ngaphandle. This is center O, 2, 1. I-converse ithi a line drawn from the center passing through the chord, bisecting the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Or a line drawn from the center bisecting the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Khumbula ngenhlanhla sithi a line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. Manje sesithi a line drawn from the center bisecting the chord into two equal halves, then is perpendicular to the chord. Ulayini osuka lapha kwi-center uyinqamula kabili i-chord ngokulingana. Kusho ukuthi lowo line uperpendicular kwi-chord. I-converse leyo. Kodwa i-theorem ibithi ulayini osuka laphaya, mhlawumbe kufanele sikufeze lokhu. Masizoprove akukho. Akukho, sifanele sikuprove. Ngenhla sithi ulayini osuka kwi-center uze kwi-chord uwu-perpendicular kwi-chord. Kusho ukuthi uyayibisecta leyo chord. Manje sesithi ulayini osuka kwi-center uza kwi-chord uyibisecta leyo chord, kusho ukuthi uperpendicular kuleyo chord. That is the converse. Now we must prove ukuthi sisho ukuthini ngalento esiyishoyo. Siyakwazi ukuprova futhi i-converse. So sizobe sinikweni ukuze siprove i-converse. Cycle with center O M is a point on chord AB such that AM is equal to MP. We are required to prove that OM is perpendicular to AB, which means M1, angle M1 is equal to angle M2 is equal to 90 degrees. Leyo nto sifuna ukuyiprova. Sifuna ukuprova ukuthi laphayana sino M and M1 is equal to angle M1 is equal to angle M2. So iproof yethu izothi join OA and OB. So siyajoyina ngama-dotted lines. Siyafuna futhi ukubona ukuthi ujoyinile. Njengoba sesijoyinile, sesinama-triangles amabili. Phuzu lokuqala ozolisho before usho uzothi in triangle OAM and triangle OMB. Bese siyasitshela kwenzakalani kulama-triangle amabili. So yasho ukuthi hayi OA uyalingana no-OB. Kusho ngani lokho? Khumbula OA i-radius, OB i-radius, RD. Iphuzu lesibili. Ya-check-a futhi. U-AM uyalingana no-MB. Ukuthatha apha okushoyo. It is given. Sikhonjisiwe kwi-diagram. Nakhuya. Phuzu lesithathu. Ongalisho. U-OM uyalingana no-OM. Thatha lokho. Common. OM utholakala kule triangle engapha. Phinda atholakala kule triangle engapha. U-common OM. Hawu. Therefore, should sesiprovile ukuthi u-triangle OAM is congruent to triangle OMB. Sikuprove ngani lokho? Sikuprove ngeside, sakuprova ngeside, sakuprova ngeside. Side. Therefore, kusho ukuthi u-angle M1 is equal to angle M2. Sekwendaba. So, sekuyi-converse-ke le. Sekuyi-converse. Lokho kusho ukuthi u-angle M1 uyalingana no-angle M2, uyalingana no-90 degrees. Siyasho ukuthi supplemental angles. Ngeke-ke siye kuma-examples. Bani? We-theorem 1. Mhlambe singayithatha eyodwa inkeka. Sobuye siwenza ama-questions. Ake siye ku-theorem 2 sizwe ukuthi u-theorem 2 uthini. Sizame u-theorem 2. Theorem 2. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. U-theorem 2 usho njalo. With angle at the center. No, it's angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference. Angazi encwadini ngibhala ukuthini. Angazi. Kodwa khona inje indaba. Ukuthi angle kwi-center iphinda kabili angle kwi-circumference. Ukuze uthole i-angle kwi-center, kufanele uthathe i-angle kwi-circumference times ngo-2 uthole i-angle kwi-center. Mhlambe-ke sibuke i-diagram yakhona ukuthi yinto le ebukeka kanjani. Ibukeka kanje. La sizoba nento nje. Sibe nento nje. Iyageja. Lapha sona center. Yeah. Sesiba no-O. Then iyona nto-ke lesuke sinikeziwe. Bese la sinikezwa u-C, u-A, ubani, u-B. So given cycle with center O and A, B, and C are all points on the circumference of the cycle. Yini elindeleke kithi? We are required to prove that angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle ACB. Leyo nto kufanele siyiprove ukuthi angle AOB is 2 times angle A, hamba kuvele kahle lapha, angle ACB. Okay, mase kuyi-proof. We must join CO and produce to N. So futhi kuzoba no-N la. Sijoyine kanje. Sesiyiproduce lapha. So ngayikhethela N alphabet la mawuthanda ngabeka oyithandayo. Okay. Bese la kuba u-1, kuba u-2. Nala kuba u-1, kuba u-2. Ungayiprova ngendlela oyithandayo. Ngale ndlela oyifunde ngayo eklasini or ngale ndlela esizoyiprova ngayo. But le sizoyiprova ngayo mina ngiyayithanda. We will let before siprove nje we'll let C1 alingane no-X and C2 alingane no-Y. Shuthi laphaya sizoba no-X ngapha sibe no-Y. Ileyo nto leyo-ke esizoba nayo. Then bese siyaqala-ke siyaprova. Okay, okufanele sikwazi ukuthi u-OC uyalingana no-AO. Ikuthatha lokho. Radi. U-OC uyi-radius no-OA futhi uyi-radius ukuthi bayalingana. Okay. Mase sekushilo lokho khona into elandelayo. Niyibuke le nto. Okusho ukuthi leya angle. Uma lo nalo belingana, kusho ukuthi leya angle u-x naleya u-x. Rise over x, rise over x. Khumbule sike sakhulumisa i-triangle esithi i-isosceles triangle. Sathi uma ngabe lama-side awethu elingana, kusho ukuthi nama-base angles akhona ayalingana. Kodwa sishongo ukuthi sizosebenzisa leyo reason. The angles opposing equal sides are equal. Meaning, sesizothi u-angle A ulingana no-angle C1, bobabili balingana no-x. Isizathu sizothi angle opposite equal sides are equal. Then elinye iphuzu esingalisho, khona into futhi esiyifundile esayifunda kwa-grade 9 kade siyifunda futhi le ukuthi sino B la, mhlambe sithi sino C la, sino A no B. Shouthi C ulingana no-A plus B. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So ngifuna ubukeke la, leya angle leya, le angle le ilingana naleya angle plus leya angle. Hlanganise i-exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Meaning, u-angle O1 ulingana no-angle A plus angle C1. Isizathu singathi nje exterior angle of a triangle. Bayazi noma singasayiseqedelanga kodwa bayayazi indaba abaphathi. So okusho ukuthi u-A ulingana no-x, u-C1 ulingana no-x, kusho ukuthi u-O1 ulingana nobani? No-2x. Phinde size ngapha. Isikhala sami sinamba. Zama ukusebenzisa omunye umbala. Okay. Ukhumbuleke nakhona la sizosho okufanayo. U-OC ulingana no-OB. Isizathu radi. Lo ulingana naloya. Singasho sithi radi ama-radius. Kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi nalaphana sino-y. Okay, I know. Kuthi ngisuse lo line ngoba usakhuluma iqiniso. Sikhumbule phela ama-radius wonke lawa. Ama-radius wonke lawa. Ayalingana wonke ama-radius. Anamathikha awethu wonke. Okay, shuthi nalaphana sino-y laphaya. Bese elinye ipoint sesiyasho-ke sithi kufanele sikusho asiveli nje sicabangele. So angle B ulingana no-angle C2 angle C2 ulingana no-angle Y. Nakhona sithi angle opposing equal sides are equal. Ama-angle abuka ama-side alinganayo nawo lawo ama-angle alingana. Then iphuzu lokugcina sesiyasho-ke sithi O2 ngibona angle O2 ulingana no-angle C2 umhlanganisa no-angle B. Nakhona isizathu siyafana, exterior angle exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Uzobhala-ke ngani? U-C2 u-y, u-angle B u-y, uma bahlanganise bakunikeza bani? 2y. Sekwendaba. Okay. Ngeke siyihlanganise-ke le ndaba le. Ngeke siyihlanganise. Ngesiyiprove-ke manje. Shuthi sesizogcina sithi inaphuzane la ngisenabo mfethu space lapha ezansi. Ngicela ukubhala lapha phezulu. Ngicela ukubhala lapha phezulu. Uma uyi-check-a le nto le, therefore kuthi u-O1 u-O1 ulingana nobani? Okay, ngesihlanganise kuqala. Sihlanganise sothi O1 plus ubani? U-O2 uzolingana nobani? O1 plus O2 u-O1 sithola ukuthi 2x, u-O2 sithola ukuthi ubani? 2y. Lokhu kufanele kulingana nobani? No-angle C. Ngazi ngisizosho nje, okay? Mase sikhipha lapha i-common fact. Uma ubheka laphaya u-2 ngikhiphela ngaphandle kuzoba u-x plus ubani? Plus u-y. U-angle laphana, u-angle lo, angle AOB. Ngithi yona nto ade sifuna ukuyiprova le. Nangi angle AOB. Angle AOB ulingana no-2 times angle x. U-angle AOB ulingana nobani? No-2 times x plus y. Bese kuthi u-angle C, ngesibuko u-angle C noma angle ACB yena ulingana nobani? No-x plus ubani? Plus y. Nakho ukuze uthole leya angle leya uthi x plus y. Ukuze uthole le angle le, siyabona uma sihlanganisa, mhlawumbe-ke lokhu-ke sicime. Uma uhlanganisa lo nalo kukunikeza u-2 times x plus y ngapha, kodwa leya angle u-x plus y. So kusho ukuthi lokho sesiprovile ukuthi i-angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Therefore sesingasho sithi angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle ACB. Ngoba siyabona leya angle leya i-2 times x plus y, leyana iwu-x plus y. Siyabona ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi i-angle kwi-circumference siyiphinda kabili kwi-center. Iyezwakala into engisho bafowethu? Iyezwakala, angazi ngiyezwakala yini. Lana nje kahle kahle kufanele ngiyibhale kanje ukuze sizwakale kahle. Kufanele ngiyi-conclude-se kanje. Ngithi angle O1 plus angle O2 is equal to 2x plus 2y. Bese ngikhipha u-2 ngaphandle. Ya, seyiphelele. Bese kuba khona i-converse ka-theorem 3. Theorem 2 angithini? Yes. Ngathi asinayo i-converse ka-theorem 2. Sesinama-application. Sesiyobona ngani-ke mhlawumbe ake senze nawo ama-application. Angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference. Center O. Center O line. This is A, B, C. Nakho kufanele sikwazi. Ngizozama ukwenza nje. Ngizozama ukwenza nawo ama-colours, okay? Kufanele ukwazi ukuthi leya angle iyalingana, okay, iyalingana leya angle, iyalingana, okay, asikafiki leyo theorem leyo. Angingafiki nje kuyo. Asikafiki kuleyo. Mhlambe la ngizoba no-X. Ish. Let me use this one. La ngizoba no-X, nala ngibe no-X, nalapha ngibe no-X. Futhi laphana kwi-center ngino-2 times X. Ngoba i-angle kwi-center iphinda kabili i-angle kwi-circumference. Angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference. Angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference. Abanga ukuthi leyo nto leyo iyabonakala. Bayokubuza ukuthi u-angle C ulingana nobani uma ngabe u-angle AOB ilingana no-2x. So yazi-ke ngithi u-angle C is equal to 2 times angle C is equal to bani? Angle AOB. U-angle AOB obani yena? Obani? O2x. U-angle C sesingamthola ukuthi ubani? Nakhona uyasho isizathu. Angle at the center is equal to 2 times angle at the circumference. Let's divide ngo-2, let's divide ngo-2. Okusho ukuthi angle C ulingana nobani? No-x. Ngicabanga ukuthi leyo nto leyo ongayisebenzisa. Angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference. Ingasidukeli-ke leyo theorem leyo. Ke siprove theorem 3. Theorem 3. Theorem 3. Angle subtended by the diameter is equal to 90 degrees. The angle subtended at the cycle by the diameter is a right angle, but sijwayele ukuthi the angle subtended by the diameter is equal to 90 degrees. Leyo theorem leyo ke esibhizi ngayo njengamanje. Hey, nansi into engihlola kuyo. Niyabona bafowethu, ihamba lapha le nto le. Ukuthi ngivele ngiyidwebe kanje ngifriyende. Nansi indaba. Good. So kufanele siprove ukuthi angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference. njalo the angle is subtended by diameter is equal to 90 degrees. Fanele siprove leyo theorem leyo. Wena yini ozobe inikeze uma ufanele uprove le theorem? You'll be given a cycle with a diameter AOB. Bese ulindelekile ukuthi ukwazi ukuprove. Then into ozoyisho uzothi angle AOB nale angle le. Angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle C. Angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference. Isizathu soyasho ukuthi angle at the center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Isizathu sakho leso. Uphinde futhi usitshene ukuthi angle AOB is equal to 180 degrees. Le angle 180. Why? Straight line. Straight line. Then kusho ukuthi angle AOB u-180. Angle AOB aphinda alingana nobani? No 2 angle C. Futhi lokho kungapha kuyalingana lokho kungapha ngoba kokubili kulingana no-AOB. Nakho sesinga-equate. Angle 2C is equal to 108. Then we can divide by 2 on both sides. Angle C uzolingana nobani? No 90 degrees. So sesiprovile ukuthi-ke leya angle leya esubtendwe i-diameter ilingana no 90 degrees. Angle subtended by the diameter is a right angle, or angle subtended by the diameter. Ngasonke isikhathi mabe sibuza ukuthi u-angle C ubani, uzothi u-90 degrees. Isizathu angle subtended by diameter. Isizathu sakho leso. Angle subtended diameter u-90 degrees. Asikho isidingo ukuthi uyibhale iphelele. Angle subtended by diameter is equal to 90 degrees. Awuthi nje angle subtended by diameter ngedili. Leya angle C u-90 degrees. But fanele ukwazi ukuprove. Fanele ukwazi futhi ukuyisebenzisa application. Nakhona u-theorem 3 bese banani ne-converse yakhona. Converse of theorem 3. Theorem 3 ilula-ke i-converse. I-converse isuke izama ngazi noma ngizothi iphikisana nalokho kade sikusho yini. I-converse isuke iphikisana nalokho kade sikusho. Sithe thina i-angle inakhuzana i-diameter isubtend i-angle u-90 degrees. Sisho nje lokho. Ngiyaphuma-ke esandleni. Sithe i-diameter isubtend i-angle u-90 degrees. So mase sifica i-triangle thina kanjeya. Asike i-cycle kanjeya. Kuno 90 degrees lapha. Singatshenwanga ukuthi AB uyikhodi. So kusho ukuthi u-AB uyikhodi. Ngoba phela ngasikesi kusho ukuthi u-AB uyi-diameter. Sitshena ukuthi AB is just a chord. So why u-AB kuzofanele abe i-diameter? It is because usubtend i-angle u-90 degrees. Ukhumbule kwesinye isikhathi bazositshela ukuthi AB is a diameter. kusho ukuthi u-angle C u-90 degrees. Kodwa manje sisatshenwanga ukuthi AB is a diameter, sesitshena ukuthi u-angle C u-90 degrees. Lokho kusho ukuthi u-AB uyi-diameter ngoba u-angle C u-90 degrees. So i-converse. Converse sibuyele emuva le nto ade siyisho. Ngazi noma niyangithola yini? So lokho kusho ukuthi-ke laphana kune-center O, kune-center O, kusho ukuthi AB uyi-diameter. Why ngisho lokho? Ingoba laphana kune-angle u-90 degrees. If the angle is subtended by the chord at the point on the side is 90 degrees, then the chord is a diameter. If i-angle subtendwe i-chord iwu-90 degrees kwi-circumference, then leyo chord leyo iyi-diameter. Kodwa ngenhla besithi i-diameter isubtend i-angle u-90 degrees. Manje sesithi if i-angle esubtendiwe u-90 degrees, kusho ukuthi leyo chord esubtende leyo angle siyibiza ukuthi i-diameter. That is a converse, good people. Mhlambe application yalapha nje yi-1. Nansi application yakhona. Kufanele sikwazi ukuyisebenzisa. That is a center O, that is A, that is A, B, C. La sinikezwe u-X, la sanikezwa u-60. Umbuzo uzothi solve for X. Umbuzo nje uzothi solve for X. So solve kanjani u-X? Kodwa kwi-question izothi calculate the value of the unknown variables. O is the center of the circle, or O is the center in each case. So siyatshena laphana ukuthi O is center. Masitshenwe ukuthi O is center, automatically AB is a diameter. Masazi ukuthi AB is a diameter, automatically thina kunelo esitshenayo ukuthi u-angle C ulingana no-90 degrees. Why sisho njalo? Angle subtended by the diameter. Khumbula diameter subtend angle 90 degrees. So mase sino 90 degrees lapho sesingamsolva ku-X sekulula. Sesizothi X plus 90 plus 60 is equal to 180. But singaqala ngama-variables ngenhla phela sibhale kahle. Angle A plus angle C plus angle B is equal to 180. Bese sisho isizathu. Sum angles of a triangle. Uyabona? Then uyagroupa-ke ama-like terms. 90 plus 60. 90 plus 60 uzokukhiphela 150. Uyakuwelisa 180 minus 150 kusala u-X ngapha. Sesizothola ukuthi u-X ulingana nobani? Sithola ukuthi u-X ulingana no-30 degrees. So i-application leyo-ke ka-theorem 3. Na-theorem 3. Mhlambe singenza u-theorem 4 sigcine kuye. Theorem 4. Nansi into esizobe siyinikeziwe ku-theorem 4. This is A, B, C, say this one is D. Then we are just having center O laphaya. So this is theorem 4. Uthini theorem 4? An arc of a cycle subtend equal angles at the circumference of the cycle. An arc of the chord, an arc or a chord of a cycle subtend equal angles at the circumference of the cycle. I-arc, mhlambe ke siyikhombisa ukuthi yini i-arc. I-arc, nansi i-arc. Nansi i-arc. Yenzani manje le nto? Bengingeke isuse. Okay. Nansi i-arc. Leya arc leya isubtenda ama-angles alinganayo. I-theorem isho njalo, theorem 4. Ukuthi leya arc leya isubtenda ama-angles alinganayo. Kwesinye isikhathi uma kune-chord, shuthi leya angle naleya izolingana. Naleya arc leya izosubtenda le angle ilingane nale angle. If besine-chord laphaya, le angle nale izolingana. Sothi angles subtended by the same chord, masisho isizathu, or angles subtended by the same arc. Sijwayele ukusho kanjalo. But fanele siyiprove le nto le. I-theorem yakhona ithini-ke uma siyiprove? Fanele sijoyine. Okay, sizobe sinikeziwe, sizobe sinikeziwe kuqala. Given a cycle with center O and A, B, C, and D are all points on the circumference of the cycle, we are required to prove that angle A is equal to angle B and angle C is equal to angle D. I-proof yethu izothi kanje. We'll say join OA and OB. Okay. Bese siyajoyina laphaya. Siyajoyina. Okay, mase sibajoyinile laphaya. Bese sithi kanjena-ke. Ilula le proof line. Bese sithi angle AOB. Ngiyambona angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle C. Angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference. So njalo angle at the center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Then siphinde futhi sithi angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle D. Nakhona futhi isizathu esifanayo. Angle at the center, wena uyabhala-ke phela isizathu, ungenzi lento engiyenzela. Angle at the center is equal to 2 times angle at the circumference. Then mawucheka ngane wethu la, lo ulingana no-angle AOB, naloya ulingana no-angle AOB. Kusho ukuthi nalabo babili bayalingana phela, balingana nento eyodwa. Ingakho sesizothi angle 2C is equal to angle 2D. Then divide ngo-2 on both sides. Shoot angle C ulingana no-angle D. So angles on the same segment. Kwesinye isikhathi sisho njalo masisho isizathu. Why sithi angle D ulingana no-angle C? Angles on the same segment. Yebo indaba. Enye futhi bangacashisela kanje. Nansi ya. Mhlambe A, B, C, D, E. U-angle E uyalingana u-angle D, uyalingana u-angle C. They are all subtended by the same arc AB, or angles on the same segment. Nansi enye ingahamba iye laphaya. A, B, C, D, E, F. Angle F bayalingana, wonke lama-angle lawo ayalingana. Ama-angle asubtendwe yi-arc A1, or angles on the same segment. Siyabonga ithuba. Siyacela nisubscribe kwi-YouTube channel yethu, phinde nilike futhi.